Final example is to create an equation of a line that is perpendicular to a given line. And I made this one just a little bit easier in the fact that your original line is already solved for y. Sometimes that will happen, and when that does happen, that saves you a few steps. So your original line, I'm actually going to write that one over here, y equals negative 1/2 x plus 6. That original line has a slope of negative 1/2. That's our important piece of information. Our perpendicular slope to that, I'm going to use a symbol for perpendicular. Looks like this. The perpendicular slope to that is flipped over with an opposite sign. So 2/1. And that is the slope that I will use when I do my point slope equation. So I have 5, which is x1, 4, which is y1, and my m is, again, flipped over and the opposite sign, and so 2/1. I'll write my formula. Y minus y1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x1. Y minus, in this case, of 4 equals, now our m is 2/1. That is just 2. And if I can avoid writing a fraction, I'm going to. So I'm just going to write that as a 2. And then x minus 5. I can distribute the 2 to get rid of the parentheses, making 2x. And then 2 times negative 5, which would make negative 10. And then adding 4 to both sides of the equal sign, my new equation, y equals 2x minus 6. And that, again, is the equation of a line that's perpendicular to the original line. So if you'll notice, the slopes are opposite signed and reciprocals. So you will have a couple of questions where you have to work with parallel lines and a couple of questions where you'll have to work with perpendicular lines. Good luck on your homework.